Before I begin, let me ask you this: what if an important immigration update that could change your future in Canada came out, and you never even knew about it? What if a policy or a draw like this one passed you by, just because you weren't fully aware? Friends, in Canadian immigration, missing an update can mean missing your chance at permanent residence. And that's why I am here for you today. But before we dive in, I want you to hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell. Because I bring you every single Canadian immigration update, breakdown, and explanation in simple words, as if I were sitting across from you, guiding you like your personal immigration consultant. Don't let these life-changing updates slip away. Now let's talk about what happened this week in Manitoba. The province has once again opened its doors, inviting over 900 skilled worker candidates to apply for provincial nomination under the Manitoba Provincial Nominee Program, MPNP. Why is this so important for you? Because Manitoba is showing us again that the demand for skilled workers is strong. And unlike express entry draws where cut-off CRS scores keep rising, provincial nominations like this one give you a clear pathway to PR even if your CRS is not very high. On September 18, Manitoba issued a total of 911 letters of advice to apply, LAAs. But here's the interesting part: the province did not even publish a minimum cut-off score for this draw. Instead, they targeted very specific groups. Let me break it down for you. Employer services, 18 invitations. Francophone community, 24 invitations. Regional communities, 18 invitations. Ethnocultural communities, 4 invitations. Temporary public policy to facilitate work permits, 847 invitations. And of these, 341 candidates were tied to express entry profiles. That means these people could be on a fast track to permanent residence through both federal and provincial pathways. Now let's pause for a moment here. Did you notice that over 90% of the invitations, 847 candidates, were given under a special temporary public policy? This policy was created to help those already living and working in Manitoba, who might otherwise be stuck in limbo. Imagine working hard in Manitoba, contributing to its economy, waiting for your chance at PR, and suddenly, this policy gives you not just a work permit but also a pathway to permanent residence. That's hope. That's opportunity. That's why staying updated is so critical. But here's the other side of the coin: some people didn't receive invitations even though they thought they were eligible. Why? Because they declared a language test but didn't provide the valid test number in their EOE. Their language test results had already expired. They claimed to have a direct invitation under a recruitment initiative but didn't enter a valid invitation number in their profile. Small mistakes like this can cost you big opportunities. This is exactly why having accurate information and acting on it is so important. Now many of you ask me, what are these strategic recruitment initiatives? Well, these are programs where employers or communities in Manitoba directly help identify skilled workers from overseas. For example, an employer struggling to find a healthcare worker in a rural town can hire internationally. Francophone communities needing French-speaking professionals can invite them. Regional areas can bring in people to fill shortages in trades or agriculture. These initiatives not only solve labor shortages but also create PR pathways for people like you, who are ready to contribute to the province's growth. So my friends, here's the takeaway: if you are serious about making Canada your home, you cannot afford to ignore these updates. The difference between receiving that golden invitation and missing out often comes down to awareness and preparation. Stay proactive. Keep your documents valid. Don't let small errors cost you your future. And always remember, you're not alone in this journey. I'm here to keep you updated and guide you step by step. If you found this update valuable, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with someone who is also dreaming of Canadian PR. And if you have questions about your own eligibility, drop them in the comments. I go through them, and I may cover your situation in my next video.